Hey everyone, it's Limits Pass. Just going to go over really quick on how to create a custom object in Unreal. So if you wanted to use like shapes and wanted to create, like a dumbbell or something like that, you can do that all from the Unreal system pretty easily. So we'll go into Blueprints, and I'm going to grab a Blueprint class. We're going to make an actor class out of this and just call it BP object. So now if we go into this object here, pop that over here. We can throw in shapes, right? So if we wanted to grab a cylinder, right? Now we have the cylinder here, so let's go ahead and flip this around. We're gonna rotate it 90 degrees. And then we're gonna scale it down, maybe to 0.2 across the board. All right. Now, let's make it a little bit bigger on the X and Y axis. Um, Actually, yeah, 0.2. On X and Y. So we'll leave it like that. Then we're going to go ahead and grab another object. We're going to grab another. Actually, we can just duplicate what we have here. So Control D, duplicate that, and we'll move that to the left just a little bit. Perfect. And now what we're going to do is size this up a bit. So we'll go 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, or 0.1. Perfect. So now we'll move that over, something like that. Do the same thing, duplicate it, something like that. And then we're going to add some elements, just to give it some color. So if we look for metal, now this is using all the base template stuff from Unreal, so you should have very similar materials already. We'll say silver, or I think they have a nickel. Maybe not. Let's go with that base gray, and then we'll do the same thing here. And we'll throw the base gray on there. So it doesn't look the greatest, but you can always add the different colors. You can add different sizes to the weights if you wanted to. And this is just building objects for very basic shapes. So now if we wanted to, we can actually make this a little bit bigger. And let's do 0.6 on both. Great. So now if we save the game, or not save, but if we go back to our lobby, we can take that actor and put it right here and look it up. Now we have a get it out of the Neb Mesh. There we go. So now we have a little weight set here. So if we were to get into our game, run into the teleporter here, we have this here. Now it's kind of large, so you could always scale it down, make any edits to the sizing that you want, but that's essentially how you would make an object. Now once you create the blueprint object, if you want to make it into a static mesh, you can actually click on the object while it's out in the world, like this, and then you want to click on Tools, and then Merge Actors. So what this is going to do is this is going to merge those actors together. So now we have a, let's just say dumbbell, or a static mesh dumbbell. So all that does is it merges it. So now we have this in our content folder without that. And we can now drag that, and it is an actual actor. So it's an actual static mesh. So it would function just like a regular static mesh. So you can build a blueprint actor, make whatever shapes you're wanting, make whatever you're trying to build, and then you can convert it by merging the actors and then building it into a static mesh. And then you have that static mesh capability that you can do more with. So like, let's say you wanted to now animate it. Well, you could animate with this static mesh, and you could create an animation with your player, and then add, of course, a socket or something like that to your hand so that you can lift the weight up or whatever. But yeah, so that's a quick video on how you can make custom objects in Unreal. Thanks.